If you're traveling on the prairie, you'll need a good wagon. That's why Ma and Pa purchased this one from the Queen's Treasures. Our wagon is made of durable wood, so it will hold up to all sorts of prairie adventures. The sturdy frame rolls on 4 bright red wheels, and there's a driver's seat for 2 at the front. In the wintertime, our wagon can convert to a sleigh. No wonder Pa chose this wagon. There's plenty of room in the back to hold our belongings. Sometimes Laura and I will even sit inside. The canvas covering protects us from the sun, and it also helps to keep things dry from the rain. Take a look at the chest Pa made. It's the perfect place to pack special items, like Ma's splatterware dish set. I suppose it's time to set out on the trail again. Ready to go, girls? All right then. Yeah!